Hello all, welcome to the channel Learn Everything Karka Kasadara. In this video, we are going to see the step-by-step procedure of drilling a mild steel plate by using a pullet type drilling machine. Before going into the video, let us now see the dimensions of the component. So here you can see the mild steel plate. It is of 50 x 50 in dimension. All the dimensions are in mm and the thickness of the plate is 6 mm. We are going to make 4 drills and the center of each hole is 10 mm away from the sides of the component, and the distance from the center of each hole is 30 mm. This is the mild steel plate, which is of 50 x 50 in length and breadth, and the thickness of the plate is 6 mm. Once after the checking is over, for better visibility we have coated the workpiece with chalk piece, and then using steel rule and depth gauge we are measuring 10 mm. So this 10 mm is for marking the center of the hole. For all the 4 drills, the center of the hole is 10 mm away from the sides. So we are measuring 10 mm in all the sides. This is done by using scriber. At one side we have marked 10 mm. So here you can clearly see 10 mm marking from the center. This is done by using depth gauge and scriber. Using tri-square, we are making a line over the marking. Again, it is done by using scriber. At one end we have made 10 mm. Repeat the same procedure for the other sides also. When you complete all the 4 sides, you can exactly pinpoint the center of each and every hole. It's almost over. Now we can easily pinpoint the center of the 4 holes. The merging point of all the 4 lines will be the center of the holes. Now using center punch, we have to make dots on the merging points. This dot is very essential because the drill bit will have a very sharp tip that should be positioned, else the drill bit will be slipping. So in order to avoid the slippery action of the drill bit, we have to make 4 dots using the center punch and hammer. Once after making the dots, we have to choose the appropriate drill bit which is required for making the hole. Now the available drill bit is somewhat bigger in size, so we are going to replace it. And the new drill bit is fixed on the chuck by using chuck key. Once after fitting the drill bit on the chuck, we are placing the workpiece on the machine vise. The working of machine vise is very similar to that of bench vise, and its purpose is to hold the workpiece. For proper seating of the workpiece, we have placed a wooden piece at the bottom of the workpiece. This gentle tap is very essential for having a contact of the workpiece and the wooden material. The dot what we have made and the tip of the drill bit should be aligned in the same axis, so it should be done by ourselves. It is a manual drilling machine, so you have to relocate the positions by adjusting the machine vise. Once after aligning, give the feed very gently using the feed lever. It should be very gentle. And he is Mr. Arumugam, technician of National Engineering College. Thank you, Mr. Arumugam, for sharing your knowledge with us. Now you can see the drill is made. So if you are not providing the wooden material, there is a possibility that the component may slip or the component may go to the bottom. So to avoid that, we have placed the wooden material, and repeat the same procedure for the other 3 holes also. The feed should be very gentle. Before that, you have to make the alignment of the dot as well as the tip of the drill bit. If the component is very thick and if the feed rate is very high, there is a possibility of generation of heat, and it can be avoided by providing proper coolant, and in this case coolant is not necessary. Here we cannot change the position of the drill bit, we can only change the position of the component. You can see his hands, he is holding the feed lever firmly, and the feed rate given by him is very small. If you are giving a higher feed rate, that may damage the drill bit. So to avoid any such accidents, the feed rate should be very low. The drilling is over. It's time for finishing operation. Unclamp the component from the machine vise and clamp the same on the bench vise. Using file, remove the unwanted materials available on the surface of the workpiece. It should be done on both the sides. And that's all about drilling. I hope you have got some information related to drilling using pillar type drilling machine. I'll meet you in the next video with a new content. Thank you for watching.